Look at this, my RAM is almost full and high RAM usage is making my PC lag. If your computer also feels slow, freezes and takes forever to open apps, don't worry. Let's fix this in a few easy steps and see how much RAM we can free up. First, we will stop apps that launch automatically when you start Windows. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab. Right-click apps you rarely use and disable. This alone can free up a good amount of RAM and make your PC start faster. Next is stop apps from running in the background. To stop an app from running in the background, go to Settings, Apps, Installed Apps, find the app you want to stop running in the background, click the three dots and choose Advanced option. Then look for Background App Permissions, open the menu and choose Never. Third is adjust Windows for best performance. Windows visual effects look nice but consume memory. To turn them off, open Settings, System, click About, Advanced System Settings. Under Performance, click on Settings. Choose Adjust for best performance. This turns off extra visual effects and helps free up RAM instantly. Limit background services. Windows runs many background services you may never use. To disable unnecessary ones, press Windows plus R, type services.msc and press Enter. Find the service you don't use, right-click, Properties, set Startup type to Disabled. Here is one thing to note that only disable services you are sure you don't need. Next is delete temporary files. Temporary files take up space and can slow down your system over time. To delete them, press Windows plus R to open Run, type temp and press Enter. Select everything inside the folder and delete. Then press Windows plus R again, type %temp% and delete all files. This instantly frees up storage and can slightly reduce RAM load. Use your browser's memory saver feature. Browsers can eat a lot of RAM, so let's make them lighter. Go to Chrome browser, click on three dots, click on More Tools, then Performance. Here toggle on for memory saver. Lastly, for a quick cleanup, if you want an easy automated cleanup, try Advanced System Optimizer. You can find the download link in the description below. This tool helps speed up your Windows PC by cleaning up junk files, fixing registry problems, and freeing up RAM with one click. It can automatically close unnecessary background processes, remove old temporary files, manage startup apps, and even boost game performance. Now let's check the RAM again. This is what it looked like before, and this is what it looks like now. You can clearly see the difference. So that's it. If this video helped make your PC faster, don't forget to like the video, comment and subscribe for more simple tech tips.